Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get free cash on Bubble Cash. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Getting free cash in Bubble Cash is possible through a combination of promotions, bonuses and strategies. So what you can do is first head over and open up a Bubble Cash app, then be sure to be logged into your account as well. And then many games including Bubble Cash offers daily login rewards. These rewards can sometimes include free cash, bonuses or power-ups. Make sure to check the app each day for any bonuses available before logging in. Second is to participate in the free tournaments. Some tournaments allow you to participate without paying an entry fee. You can win real money from these free tournaments, although the prize pools might be smaller than in paid tournaments. Keep an eye out for these free entry events and aim to perform well in them to maximize your chances to earning money. Third is the referral bonus. Many mobile games offer a referral program where you can earn rewards including cashes or bonus by inviting friends to join and play. Share your referral link with friends and you'll receive bonuses when they sign up and start playing. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.